Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today is the first fall, intro to fall, pre-fall if you will, outfits, Pinterest outfit styling video. I'm gonna have to nail that intro, don't hold your breath. But basically I found 4 outfits that are good like end of summer into fall situations for my Pinterest board, and I recreate them using my own wardrobe. Y'all know the drill by now. So yeah, I've got some really cute ones. Some are leaning more summer, some are leaning more fall. But you guys know. So let's do it, okay? Let's do it. First one, I love this. This is very much something that I can still wear. Probably not yet. It's still 100 degrees out. So probably in another 3 weeks, fingers crossed, who knows. But we're going for it, okay? So you can see she's got like a white on white look with a barn coat with cutie little boat shoes. Let's do it. Let's put on my little Quince shorts that I line dried, because first, well, they're like stiff. You know what I'm talking about when you line dry linen. Okay, so I was trying these on. I wore these on Saturday to a pool party just as like a cover up, and then I was gonna wear them on Sunday because we had another pool party, and I was just like, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then I was like, why is there red all over them? And I was like, it looks like blood, but I'm not bleeding, so I don't know. And then Scott's like, that's definitely blood. You must be bleeding. And I'm like, and I look down, and of course I have a blister on my foot from my little jelly shoes, which have never given me a blister. So I don't know how that happened, but nonetheless, the blood came out. So yay for me. But I was like really concerned. I was like, where is this coming from? It straight up looks like blood. But I was like, it's not. And it wasn't oxidized yet. So anyways, I feel like linen when it first is like out of the washer and line dried is not soft. It's gotta like warm up, you know? Anywho, let's put on a little white racerback tank because I'm pretty sure that's what she has on. I also don't know if she has linen pants, but I feel as though it's the closest thing to it, so we're gonna do it. Ever since Scout like peed on my rug in my office, he like refuses to come in and hang out with me now. He just sits outside the door, acts like I murdered him when he did it. I shoulda, but I don't know. I didn't, so I don't know what he's all crazy about. Anyway, I was talking to my dad on the phone. Hold on, I need to fix my eyebrows because I know they're wonky. I was talking to my dad on the phone this morning, and oh, my like setting spray is in my nose. That is not cute. Okay, nonetheless, what was I saying? Oh, he was asking me about Scout, and I was like, listen, Scout is great. Scout is so unbelievably cute and sweet and just my love, okay? But that man, that little boy dog, he is dumber than a box of rocks, okay? He just, nothing's penetrating through his little mind. Like, I don't know, he doesn't connect dots. We have tried to train this little man, okay? He just, I swear Winnie was better behaved than him, and that is not saying much because Wrinkles was a little tyrant, okay? She got better in her old age. Actually, she got worse in her old age. But like, I can't leave him out of the house. Or when I like leave for even like 10 minutes, he's going to pee on the floor, even if he just went outside to go pee. He's gonna remove all of the towels off my kitchen counter. He's gonna eat a tub of butter. He's going to remove my lip gloss from my nightstand and chew it to shreds. He's gonna do all the things that he's like been thinking about all day, okay? And then probably take a crap in my laundry room. So it's like, I can't win. Anywho, PS is on. No one subscribed to watch me rant, but such is life. Okay, I'm gonna put on my shoes really quick. She has just plain socks. I'm gonna use my little ruffly socks. I finally got these from Target. They're so cute. One thing I will say though, I wore them to the gym on, was it Sunday, and then again today. And they're very like slippery on the bottom. So they kind of like slide around my shoes a little bit. But anyway, I have yet to wear, I feel like this is so funky, but I kind of like it. Okay, anyway. I've been wanting these little sockies forever, and I think they're adorable. Okay, now, moving along. I'm like kind of hoping it rains before I have to go pick up Arlo from school because I don't really want to walk, but I also know it's good for me. but it's 100 degrees. And try like getting Arlo home in a quick manner when it's 100 degrees outside. At least it's cloudy, so I think we can do it. Yesterday I bribed him with popsicles. I brought popsicles in like a thermos cup to make sure that he got home fast. I don't know if it sped us up. I think it did actually. Okay, so this is the look. I feel like I should do the shirt over the paint. No, you shouldn't. Nope, you shouldn't. I have like lotion on my arms. I can feel it because this jacket is like lined with satin in the inside. I can feel it. It's weirding me out. It's like kind of weird to wear a jacket with no like arm sleeves. You know what I mean? Anyway, okay. So let's pull out our bangs. Just got a cute little bang do, which is great because I want to keep my hair up this entire video because my hair is driving me nuts, but what is new? Nothing. Okay, so glasses on. She looks way cuter than I do. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know if this really is my vibe, but we're gonna try it anyways. We're gonna commit to the process. She's got like a little, hers is red. I don't own a red big bag. What's going on with this? What do we think? Is it the socks? I don't know. I think she looks adorable. I think it looks confusing on me. Is it okay? What do we think? I don't know. These socks and shoes are just giving me like Stumpty Dumpty legs. Maybe it's all my brain. Anyway, I think we got the point, but I don't know if it works specifically on Yigoil. Okay? Yigoil. Okay. Anyway, that was look number 1. You let me know. You sound off. Did we nail it or did we flippity flop? We're probably gonna flippity flop the next outfit too, but I don't care. We're gonna try it anyways. So that may be the theme of this video. Okay. So my next girl, she screams cool. Okay. I on certain days, like if I'm a lucky, whisper cool, like mumble it if you will, but she screams. Okay. She screams. So we're gonna monitor or modify. Why does monitor and modify always just trip me up? So I'm gonna put on my white denim shorts. We're gonna save these little shoesies and socksies for I think the last outfit. So let's pop that over. Let's put on my little Zara shorts, which very upset. They just like unraveled on me at the top. Like I can still wear them, but I'm just like, huh? Since when had that happen? I didn't do that. Maybe I did. I don't know. Anyways, let's pop them on. I sat in raspberries, so these are also stiff and dry because, yeah, I sat in raspberries at the second barbecue. Or birthday party. Whatever. There was a barbecue, too. Nonetheless, let's put them on. Also, now that summer is over, I feel like I can... No, it's not over, girl. It's August. I can start focusing on looking better next summer. I hate when I do this. It's just a vicious cycle and I just need to accept that. Like I just probably am not going to look any better than this. In reality, I'll probably start going down. But I say all that to say I made banana bread and a loaf of sourdough today. Like I was just scrolling TikTok and there was this girl that's like, you can't complain about your life if your actions don't change. I'm like, I mean, I can. I shouldn't, but I'm going to. Okay, let's put on a white tee. I didn't zip up my zipper. Cute. So, she has kind of a longer short and her jeans are, I mean, longer short and her shirt's a little bit more cropped, but I'm wearing this Quince one, which I will link it, but it's, I wear it all the time, but it's just not that great. So, be warned, okay? But I wear it all the time, so is it that bad? I don't know. Anyway, let's put on our little belts. I'm wearing a gold and black, but, or silver and black, but I'm gonna wear gold. Oh, whatever. Okay. So, this belt fits me better, like when I'm wearing high-waisted stuff, but it still fits me when I'm wearing like a, not like low-rise, but like mid-rise short. Okay. So, hang out. This is kind of a boxy tee, so it works, but let's just tuck a little bit. Okay. So, this is where we're gonna test fake. She has a black and white scarf. The heck is that noise? Sir Scout, hey. Don't kill the FedEx man. Scout, pull his head. Get over here. Scout. Scout. Scouty. Scout, pose him. Come here. Come here. Then leave it alone. He's okay. Maybe he's bringing you your doggy food. Who knows? Don't be mean. It's okay. Hey, listen. It's okay, because guess what? The only people that are in this house are you and me, and we are safe. Nope. No, we're not. Okay. Not on his watch. It's my light fixture for my dining room. Don't attack him, Scout. I know you're protecting me, but I'm fine. It's okay. It's okay. All right. So, I feel like I've never done one of these. I don't know if I can. It's okay, Scouty. It's okay. I don't think he believes so, but anyway. Okay. I feel like my ears are gonna flop out. I feel like I just don't. I can't, but we're gonna try. I can't. It's not cute. I'm just not. Oops. The back of my head probably looks ridiculous, but that's none of my business, okay? All right, then we're gonna continue, even though I think we're flippity flopping. All right, little heels, because she has like a little pointed toe kitten heel. I cannot walk very well in these with carpet. And she has a giant like black boho bag, but I don't own them. I don't own one. So I'm gonna do my little clutch. What's it giving? This is her. This is me. I don't know. Is it bad? Yeah. Is it terrible? No. But it's not good, I don't think. It's cool on her. It's so cool on her. Me, I just look wacky tobacco. Anywho, what's in this bag? Oh, just the strap. All right, let's move on to the third look. I have higher hopes for 3 and 4, okay? Not that 1 and 2 started off very well or ended very well, but I have higher hopes for the other 2. So let's move along, because this ain't it. Look number 3 is kind of summery as well. She has, I believe, black trousers. I'm gonna wear black linen pants because it is much too hot for trousers right now. Plus, I just think this look would look better with linen pants. So let's put on our black linen pants real quick. So I don't know what shoes she's wearing. I'd probably wear a sandal, but I'm gonna be, oh, let me see what I have up here. Hold on, because I'm too lazy to go downstairs. Let's just go with these black flip-flops for now, just because I don't wanna go. Okay, let's put on a little white spaghetti tanky top. Her tee is also, or her tank is a lot more cropped, which I have a more cropped one, but I wore it to the gym this morning, so we're just gonna tuck it in. Okay, so cute little scoopy situation. And then she's got some layers going on with necklaces. I don't have quite the same thing, so we're gonna kind of use 2 of my pieces to create a layered like look similar to that. Gold droppy necklace. I'm gonna go with this red. Ooh, that's cold. Ooh, some layeredness to it. And then she's got glasses that are kind of like on her. Does anyone else clip their sunglasses into their bra so it doesn't go anywhere? Because it's a hack. I do, because it will not move, but I also wear them. Okay, this is cute. This is good. I like the jewelry. This is adorable. Okay, I think she's wearing a clutch. I don't think hers is black, but it's what I have. I wouldn't wear brown with this. Anyway, this is it. And she's all like, it's cute. I like it. Black, white, with a fun little pop, cute little layered necklace moment. And yeah, I'm a fan. I think we did pretty good on this one. Not mad at it. Not mad at it. All right, that was look number 3. Let's move on to look number 4, the final outfit. Look number 4 is to finally break me out of my comfort zone of wearing shorts with a coat, okay? I don't do this. It's not my thing, but today we're gonna do it. We're gonna try it. I'm not gonna be able to wear this outfit for the rest of the day because it is too god-awful hot out, but we can play dress up in the AC until that moment comes, okay? All right, white linen shorts back on. I'm gonna keep my little tank on and put my sweater over the top of it, like a little cardi moment. I feel like this still smells like my fragrance, or maybe that's my armpits. I don't know what's happening. I'm so weird. Okay, this cardigan is kind of like cropped, so it doesn't fully do the same thing, plus the buttons are a little buttony, but I still think we'll be able to get the vibe. You guys know. Inspiration, not replication. How many times can I say that? Okay, let's just leave one button undone like this. Now let's put back on our socks and shoes. I want another energy drink so bad, but it's already like too late. Too late in the day and your girl won't sleep. Okay, this is interesting. I think she has her hair down, so let's put her hair down. And let's put on my trench coat, which I'm so excited to start wearing. Okay, I think this is gonna be cute. This hair. I cannot with it. Okay, I have to put it up because it's literally just gross. Oh no! Man alive, I just got this thing. Am I gonna glue this back together? You bet your bottom dollar. No, because I feel like you see it on black stuff. It's so sad. That's not right, Kelly. I'm so sad. Oh, man down. It's like I can't even really like use it. I guess it's gonna be my nighttime clip now. I literally just got this. Such is life. Shouldn't have flung it across the room then, girlfriend. Oh well, such is life. Okay, this is cute, but I think she looks better. I think I need a longer sweater now. Do you see what I mean about the shorts with the coat? It feels very like weird because I feel naked, but then I'm like layered to the extreme up top. I don't know. I mean, I feel like I did a decent job following hers, but anyway. And then for a bag, she has like a black bag. Probably just go with my navy blue little tote. I'm not mad at this. What do you guys think? Is it a little like all over the place? Yes, but does it still look cute? I mean, it looks cute on her. So I just need to get it out of my brain, or else you guys need to tell me, but that was look number 4. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Even if I can't wear these out of the house, I still think it's fun to start prepping and planning for fall. I know you guys are into it because every fall video I've put out has been popping. So you guys are telling me, that's what I'm hearing, that y'all like it. So I'm gonna keep going. But this was it. Yeah. As always, I'd like to know what your favorite outfit was down below. These were kind of way cuter on the models than they were on me, but you know what? That's okay. Sometimes that's the process, and now I know. I'm probably not a headscarf girl, and that's okay. That is okay. There's a million other ways to wear it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun and helpful, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video very, very soon.